Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to get data from Google Sheets in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Before we start, first, you need to have an existing Google Sheet like this. Second, make sure that you have your Google Sheet integrated with nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. If you need to learn how to do that, please watch our guide tutorial. Okay, let's start getting data from a Google Sheet. To do that, you need to create a simple flow. Navigate to Flows, add a flow. Name your flow and click Continue. Click Add Content. Select Actions, then choose Google Sheets. Now you may choose between Get Row and Get Random Row. Let's first choose Get Row. From here, connect your spreadsheet and the worksheet you want to use. It is important that you look up columns to return rows that match all filters. In this example, let's specifically get the robot information from the Google Sheet. Now match the Google Sheet titles on the right with the user data on the left. The user data on the left are custom fields you will have to specifically create for the Google Sheet titles on the right. If you want to learn how custom fields work, please watch our tutorial for that. Once you're done matching, please click Save. Now let's add a message block. Here, we will add the custom fields that we matched with the Google Sheet titles. Once done, click the Publish button. Alright, it's time to preview and test. There you go, you just learned how to use Get Row from Google Sheets. Now let's try to use the Get Random Row. Again, navigate to Flows. Add a flow. Click Add Content. Select Actions, then choose Google Sheets. The process is the same, except you will choose Get Random Row this time. From here, connect your spreadsheet and the worksheet you want to use. Don't forget to look up columns to return rows that match all filters. This time, let's look up for the robot type column from the Google Sheet. Since this is Get Random Row, nerDigital Chatbot Marketing will get random information from the Google Sheet related to the robot type column, and then match the Google Sheet titles on the right with the user data on the left. Once you're done matching, please click Save. Let's again add a message block. Add the custom fields that we matched with the Google Sheet titles. Once done, click the Publish button. Okay, now it's time to preview and test. There you have it. You just learned how to use Get Random Row from Google Sheets. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.